Hey, what's up, guys? Quick question. Got money sitting in your cash app, but not sure how to actually get it out into your hands? Do not worry. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from cash app in just a couple of taps. Before we get started, make sure you check out the link below in the video description and find out a complete guide on how to withdraw money from Cash App. Okay, step 1. First, open your Cash App and head over to the home screen where you see your balance. Step 2. Right under your balance, hit Cash Out. Super simple, right? Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, Cash App gives you two choices: instant transfer, which sends the money to your bank right away but with a small fee, or standard transfer, which is free but takes 1 or 3 business days to process. Fees involved in withdrawing money from Cash App. It is important to know the cost so you don't get surprised. Standard transfers are free but will take 1 to 3 business days to proceed. Instant transfers will cost you 0.5% to 1.75% fee with a minimum of $0.25. As for ATM withdrawals, just know that $2.5 per withdrawal plus operator fees will be charged. Cash card spending are free when used at stores or online. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Pretty easy, right? If this helps you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides on apps that make life easier. Thanks for watching.